Hello and welcome back. So today I've got this Avis model focus 8540 that Potty 314 sent to me. Keys are still up on the shackle. I have not given this one a shot yet. Pretty good looking bitting on it. Highs and lows. You can see that. Small keyway though. So I guess it's a 40 millimeter padlock. So, but I thought we'd put her in the vise and see if I can get it open here. Normally pick something like this out of my hand, but I always feel like you guys can't see what I'm doing very well when I pick out of my hand. So, I'm gonna go bottom of the keyway. I think that's a tiny Yale style keyway, so I'm gonna go there. And since I'm going bottom of the keyway, I have to go really shallow on my hook. I am going to just go in and search for a binder. One is springy. Two is springy. Three is bound. I think I got to click out of him. I think I may have overset. Wow, can't get my pick in there. It is a tiny keyway. Okay, I got a false set, so that's good. And wow, 5 is on the floor. You can get underneath him here. Oh, I'm underneath him. Raise him up a little bit because he is a spool. Okay, I got him set. It's like 2's a spool. And it's open. All right, awesome. Whew. Neat. Okay, back out here, sorry. Always exciting when I get a padlock open. All right. Wow, that's over here. Cool padlock. I love these Avises. They're just so awesome. Okay, nice. It is not key retaining. Key works very smoothly as an Avis should. Just really high quality made locks. I like them. Pretty good bitting on the key, like I said. So lots of fun. If you want to learn spools, these are the ones to do it on. They're just really fun. Thank you for watching, and thank you, Potty, for sending me this awesome little Avis. I really enjoy these. Thank you for your time, and don't break the law.